Now after T, what will come? We'll write, after T, we'll write what? U. So how you have to write capital U? See how I am writing. From the first line, make a small curve, come to the third line, then go up to the first line, then come back and turn like this. This is how you have to write capital U. But many of you are writing capital U like this. See, when you are writing capital U, you will not start from the third line like this. This is wrong. Okay? You will write capital U from the first line always. Okay? Always remember that. From here, from the first line, you will make a small curve, come to the third line, again go up to the first line, come back again, touch the third line and make a small curve. This is how you have to write capital U. Now after that, we will write small u. Leave a little bit space. From the third line, you will go up to the first line, then come down, then again make a curve, go up to the second line, then come down and turn like this. This is how you have to write small u. You will start from the third line, okay? Like this you will go up, then come down to the third line, make a curve, then again go to the second line, then come down and touch the third line and make a curve. This is how you will write small u. Now after u, you will write capital V. Now here also, you will start from the first line, make a small line like this, make a slanting line touching the third line, again then make a slanting line going up to the first line and make a small curve. This is how you have to write capital V. Okay, capital V. This is how you have to write. See, many of you are writing capital V like this, starting from the third line. You will not write capital V like this. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. How you have to write? You will start from the first line, make a small line like this, then touch the first line, then make a slanting line. Okay, then from here you will again go up to the first line and make a curve like this. Okay, this is how you will write capital V. Now small v, you will start from the third line. Okay, make a slanting line, then touching the second line, again make a slanting line like this, then go up and make a curve. This is how you will write small v. Okay, from here like this, from the third line, make a curve, go to the second line, make a slanting line. Okay, come to the third line, again go up and then make a curve. This is how you will write small v. Now after v, what will come? We'll write W. Now how to write W? See, from the first line, make a curve, come down to the third line, again go up, then come through that same line and then make a curve touching the third line, again go up and then make a curve. Like this you will write capital W. Fine. Now the small w, how you will write? You will start from the third line like this. Okay, like you have to write from the third line, go up to the second line, come down to the third line, again go up. Okay, then come to the same line and then again go up to the third line and make a curve. This is how you will write small W. Okay, please leave a little bit space in between this. Okay, don't join it. Okay, U, V, W, then comes X. Now how to write X? First line, second line, third line. From the third line, go up to the first line, then make a curve like this inside. Okay, then from here again you go back. Okay, go back, then write like C. You will write like this and then lift it up. This is how you will write X. Okay, this is capital X. Now we will write small x. From the third line, take a slanting line touching the second line and make a curve inside. Again, don't lift the pencil. From here you will go back and then make a small c and then lift it up. Stop. This is how you will write X. Fine. Now, after X, what will come? Y. And children, be careful when you are writing the letters in one line. You will take only 4 alphabets. Okay. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 alphabets. I have taken like that only. You will write. Okay. In one single line, you don't write the letters in a long way. You don't write it in one single line. You don't try to fit all the alphabets. Okay. You will write in one single line only 4 alphabets. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 alphabets I have written. Like that, you will also write only 4 alphabets. Fine. Now, after that X, what comes? Y. Like this you will write capital Y also. From here, from the first line, make a curve, come to the third line, again go up to the first line, then come to the fourth line and make a turn like this and go up. Stop. This is how you will write capital Y. Okay. Now we will write small y. Leave a space and then from here, from the third line like this, you have written U like that, you will write Y also. From the third line, go up, then come down, then make a curve, go up to the second line, then come to the fourth line, make a curve like this and go up and stop. This is how you will write small y. Now the last alphabet is Z. Now children, while writing Z, capital Z, please be very careful. We'll start from here, first line, second line, third line. Okay. Make a slanting line like this. Then turn. Come to the third line. Okay. Don't lift your pencil. Then go back. A little bit you will go back. And then come down to the fourth line and go up and cut like this. This is how you will write capital Z. Okay, capital Z, you have to write like this. Fine. Another small z, starting from the third line, go up, touch the second line, then make a curve. Okay, then again go a little bit up, and then from here you will turn like this, touching the fourth line, and then go back and lift it up. Stop. This is how you will write small z. Okay, children. So we have revised how to write capital A, small a till capital Z, small z. Okay. So watch the video carefully. See how madam is making the movement while writing each alphabet. See carefully and then write it in your copy. Do write it in the same way. Okay. Follow the same pattern, so that your work will look very neat and clean. Okay, please follow that. In one single line you will write only 4 alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4 alphabets you will write it. Okay, then the 5th alphabet you will write it in the next line. Okay, and lastly here Y and Z will come. In the last line you will write only 2 alphabets. Right children? So do practice and write it in a beautiful handwriting. So bye and take care.